Bible. Good morning everyone. Today's Bible portion is taken from Proverbs chapter 9 verse 10. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of the mammon. Now last prayer, repeat the prayer after the sheik. Voice heaven, hold your name, the kingdom come, hold behind on earth. I call Donald to say today start for the day. Good morning everyone. Today's start is how can people trust the harvest unless they see its own? Evelyn is here to present Tirukkural for the day. வணக்கம் இங்கே திருக்குறள் சேம செய்த உதவிக்கு வையகம் மாணவ ஆற்றல் அறிவு நன்றி. Shannon is here to present vocabulary for the day. Good morning. Today's vocabulary is adorn, meaning decorate. Example, the paintings adorn the wall. Thank you. Adavan is here to present some interesting facts. Morning. Today, that is first about octopus. Octopus has three arms. Octopus red is blue in color. Thank you. Now special program regarding Green Day. Green, 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 green. G R E E S. Green, 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 green. Balanced E, balanced E. It's just two wings. It's a good. Use just utensils. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. This is capsicum. It is green in color. It is also known as bell pepper. It has mild flavor. Thank you. Good morning. I am guava fruit. Thank you. Good morning. I am a spinach queen. Don't be chicken, eat spinach. I am a leafy green vegetable. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I learned lady finger. Lady finger is vegetable. It's small white seeds. It's green in color. Thank you. Cabbage is a green leafy vegetable. It is good for our health. It is rich in vitamin A and C. Thank you. Good morning to all. Today I am going to talk about my favorite color. Green is my favorite color. It is a beautiful color. It is the color of trees and grass. Green is also present in the rainbow. It is the color of nature. So I like it. Thank you. Good morning, friends. Today I am speak about my favorite color. Today is green color. Trees are green, grass are green, everything is green. Thank you. I am caterpillar. I am insect. I am green in color. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I am Devarahua from UKG Ruby. On this green day, let me share some interesting facts about green color. The name green is related to the old English word green, which means living plant. Green represents nature, growth, hope, health, prosperity. Green improves concentration. A jealous person is sometimes called as green with envy. Thank you. Happy Green Day.
Can you believe we are already learning to read and spell so many color words? Let's do green next.
Okay.
Green, Green. I know how to spell green, Green. Caterpillars are green and grasshoppers too. I know how to spell green, Green.
Ooh, caterpillars.
Green. I know how to spell green, Green. Caterpillars are green and grasshoppers too. I know how to spell green, Green. All right, now it's time for the kids' verse.
Here I have evidence of blue and yellow liquids. Blue and yellow are called primary colors. Now I am about to mix these two colors. Let's check.
Wow, that's green color. Children, now you see it? What are the two colors?
Wow, we get green when we mix blue and yellow. Let me share some facts about green color. Green is a secondary color. Green is a color of growth, balance, and harmony. Green is one of the three colors of our national flag. Green is the color of life. Green is the symbol